Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to start with the essentials while acting fast. Make sure the TV is on the YouTube app and the input is correct. Then confirm another device on the same Wi-Fi plays YouTube so you know the network works. Once done, power cycle both the TV and router. Turn them off, wait 30 seconds, then turn them on. This clears common glitches and forces fresh connections. If casting, also restart the casting device so both ends negotiate a new session. Now tackle the tougher middle steps that usually fix stubborn failures. You need to update the YouTube app and the TV's firmware because compatibility issues break playback. Make sure both are current. If Wi-Fi is flaky, plug the TV into Ethernet to rule out wireless problems and verify you have at least 5 to 10 megabits per second available. Clear the app cache or reinstall YouTube. Then sign back into your Google account. So account pairing, finish by validating the fix and applying clean resets. First, test YouTube using a guest profile or different account to see if the issue is account-specific. If playback still fails, perform a soft factory reset of the YouTube app or the TV's smart platform. This restores defaults without deleting media. Finally, if problems persist, inspect router firewall, parental controls, or ISP restrictions which can block streams. As a troubleshooting tip, try tethering your phone as a hotspot to determine whether.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.